Hey there, here are directions for completing Lesson 1 from Unit 1. So the first thing you should do is open up the Distance Learning folder and then go to Week 1 or Unit 1, and you can tell whenever the unit's supposed to be based on the dates in front of it. So Unit 1 goes from March 30th to April 5th. And once you have that open, go to Daily Attendance. Every day you should come here before 3 o'clock and do the 1-point APUSH attendance quiz. So for March 30th, you'll go to this one on Monday, you click on it, and you'll answer the 1-point attendance quiz. There are no right or wrong answers to those quiz questions. It's just there for attendance. After doing attendance, you can click on Lesson 1, the dates here. So you see that this is for March 30th, this Monday. And the lesson's about World War II and document analysis, which is shown by the title. Go ahead and click on Lesson 1 directions. At the top of the direction page, you'll see a description of what you're going to be doing, but I'll walk you through that. The next paragraph will be a purpose, why you're learning this or why you're doing this, what you're supposed to be getting out of the activity. And here's all the benchmarks and key concepts that are addressed in this activity. For Lesson 1, you're only going to need a digital device, most likely your Chromebook, and the ability to access the Lesson 1 assignment template, which is found on Schoology. And here's the directions. Step 1, you're going to watch a video from APUSH Explain. The video gives you a timeline of World War II and talks about the causes and the major events during the war. It does so in a unique way, though. It uses political cartoons from the time period to explain the narrative of what happened. So you're going to watch that video. It's about 10 minutes in length. After watching that video, you'll click on the Lesson 1 assignment template. So we'll do that right now. And you'll open up your doc. It'll say My Assignment at the top there. And once it's done loading, you'll see the directions for this activity here. You're going to look at a bunch of political cartoons. And in fact, all these cartoons are actually in the video you just watched that were used for the timeline. You're going to pick 3 of them of your choice. And they need to be from different periods of the war. So ideally, one cartoon from before the war begun, so prior to 1939. You need one from early on in the war, and you need one from towards the end of the war. So 3 cartoons, one from a different period of the conflict. And then for the 3 cartoons that you picked, you will do these different types of document analysis. Description of the cartoon, providing historical context, identifying point of view or purpose of the document, what the meaning of the cartoon was, a critique of the cartoon or other viewpoint on the topic, and some random commentary that you have. Here's an example of what it should look like. This is the first cartoon, so you can kind of see what is a model response. And then underneath that are the templates for filling in the cartoon analysis. Cartoon 1, Cartoon 2, Cartoon 3. You'll type your descriptions here in the red area, so your answer should be in a red font when you type there. And whatever cartoon you decide to analyze, so you'll scroll down, maybe you want to do cartoon number 8, you'll copy that image and you'll paste it here in this insert cartoon here area, so I know which one you're analyzing. Once you've finished analyzing the cartoons, so you've done 3 of them and you filled this in and pasted the picture over, you can go back to the assignment template page and you can push submit. And at that point, you are done with Lesson 1. Ideally, this lesson should take about 30 minutes, maybe 45 minutes. So if you're spending way more time on that, you should stop. It should only be a 30 to 45 minute activity. Good luck.